Welcome back to the Tools for the Trades Monster Jam Mini Build. I'm Dylan McCool, YouTube creator and restorer of cars, trucks, and plenty of junk. I'm your host on this journey, and we're back for our 4th monthly update. So join me as we check in with the shop class students at Bryan Texas High School and their instructor, Chris Lady, on their Monster Jam Mini truck build progress. So during today's check-in, the students were joined by Monster Jam drivers, technicians, and leadership for a full workday, and I mean a full day. These experts came to work and the build team had a rolling chassis by the end of the day.
We want this thing on the ground as soon as possible. We want this thing running. So I think today a huge check mark would be getting this thing on the ground and on wheels.
We already got the 2 front axles built, so I think we can hopefully mount those and then work on the steering, and hopefully this thing will be sitting on the ground by the end of the day.
Joining the students was Armando Castro, El Toro Loco driver, Colt Stephens, ThundeROARus driver, Matt Santor, Monster Mutt crew chief and technician of the year winner in 2023, plus the one and only Bill Easterly. The Monster Jam crew and instructor Chris Lady pre-gamed the day before and set a big goal: get the truck on the ground. To hit their goal, they needed to be in total sync and have several teams working on different aspects of the build. Some of the required work included tack weld brackets from the frame to temporarily hold the axles in place, mount tires on wheels, cut the fiberglass body shell for driver access, and check the seat fitment and much more. I'll stop here and let you watch the progress unfold. Now it looks like they turbocharged this build in one day and accomplished more than I would have imagined possible. Reminder to everyone watching, these are high school students building a Monster Jam mini truck. Not a kit build, they are building this from scratch. High school students with a vision and a great instructor are unstoppable. This team really stepped it up this week and are planning to continue to the pace to meet the reveal date in June. So I saw a few cool things today that happened. Number 1, no students were sitting around on their phones. I saw motivation and drive. 2, I saw team problem solving in general. A welding class revolves around each student working on their own project to pass the class. So Mr. Lady's class is working as a team of 14 builders and problem solving as a team, like they will in their post-high school careers. Number 3, the Monster Jam team rallied and their efforts propelled the team to see their vision come to life in the form of a rolling chassis by the end of the day. So let's take a closer look at the Monster Jam team working alongside the school team.
The last time Colt Stephens came, we got a lot done. I think with 3 times the amount of people at Colt Stephens this time, I think we'll have a lot more work, especially since we have the whole day excused.
ThundeROARus driver Colt Stephens has made a few visits to the school to work with the build team. Now Colt's energy, it's infectious. This guy not only drives, but can build a truck from top to bottom. Now he's a legend in the making. Colt also brought his expertise to the team by enlisting a machinist to bore the torque converter to fit. Now that NorthStar 740cc engine is going to purr like a kitten for this build. Now based on their progress today, I think we may get to see the engine running next month.
I think we need to get a saw and cut this out for sure. Get a grinder and cut this out for right now. We're gonna have to rethink that. Yeah. Get that out of our way. Because you want it to, overall, you want 0.03 over just for the curve. I would say 14 5/8. 14 5/8 from there to the bottom.
Also alongside the team today were Matt, Armando, and Bill. These guys came to work and rolled up their sleeves for over 8 hours. So what stood out to me is that they didn't solve the problems for the students. They talked through the challenges and helped guide them to their best solutions. This is exactly what Tools for the Trades is about, providing opportunities to high school students to explore careers in the trades. Now what I saw today was as close to working in the Monster Jam race shop as possible. What an amazing experience for the team. Who knows, maybe one of these students will end up working in the Monster Jam race shop one day.
I'll follow the body line here, and then same with the front, but I think since we want to kind of lean the chair back a little, we might have to cut this section out here and then the whole thing, but we really want to try to keep the pickup truck look on it. So yeah, for now, if you want to measure about an inch here and then just, you know, follow the body line and then kind of give a look at how we're looking here.
Put them in? Yep. We'll go straight down. I didn't really want to go that far, but I'll make it work. Yep, it is what it is. I think we could get all of it out of this one plate.
Como tú puedes aquí, así. Ajá, y luego bríncate esta acá, en medio.
For 16th each.
I wouldn't touch it.
Next up is the kids cutting the fiberglass shell and checking the race seat fit. Listen to how the Monster Jam team provides expertise while letting the students learn by doing.
Yeah, it's easier when you have it that way, trying to fight it and keep it balanced. Right there, we should kind of just do it by on themselves.
Chris has the students on a great path and they are focused. So focused, in fact, he made them the true Texas barbecue for lunch so they could keep working. Chris is keeping the team focused and thinking ahead. He's guiding them through what's next on critical components like brakes, electrical, ignition, and the fuel system. Can you imagine having a shop teacher like Chris? He's got a full teaching schedule with many other classes and students, but he had time to smoke a pork shoulder for the class, all while leading them through this very complex build. Teachers don't get enough credit. Chris has definitely gotten my respect for sure.
Seeing these students come together and building a team, that was amazing. I mean, they're building friendships and relationships they probably wouldn't have built before. You watch these students that you're with every day and you see what their pros and cons and what you can gain and what you can build off of with them.
As you can see, the team nailed it with Monster Jam's help. When you come back next month, I hope we'll all see the engine roar to life, learn more about the students approaching on an exhaust, steering, braking, and much more. Now, a special thank you to our Northern Tool and Equipment Tools for the Trades partners, Monster Jam, DeWalt, Ingersoll Rand, and Milwaukee Tool. And thank you for joining us on this journey. Be sure to subscribe to Northern Tool's YouTube channel so you never miss a monthly update.